Imagine a world where music, art, and ideas no longer come from human minds, but from algorithms. A world where machines churn out paintings, songs, and even books, taking away jobs from artists, writers, musicians, and draining society from hold on, let me read the script. Of authentic human expression. This isn't some distant future. It's happening now. As AI technology increasingly encroaches on our creative fields, threatening to replace our artists and commodify. Hey, how do you say that word?
Commodify.
Creativity.
AI art may sound innovative, but it lacks soul, experience, the unique perspective that a human can bring. Human creativity is not about producing content. It's about connectiveness, culture, experiences. That is something a machine can simply not recreate. When it comes from art from a person, it comes from a story, a piece of their life, struggle, joy, and humanity. Can a machine understand love, loss, or inspiration? Can a machine understand what it means to be human?
This wave of AI in creative industries is more than just technology. It's an assault on our cultural heritage, our jobs, and our values. Protect our creative future. Say no to AI and creativity. Protect our creative future. Say no to AI and creativity.
Let's stand up to keep creativity real. We have a choice to support policies that limit AI in creative fields and protect our artists, or let algorithms take their place. Keep art, music, and stories human. Protect our cultural future. Say no to AI in creativity.